Il 14 settembre veniamo contattati da Wayan. Non era il solito tour operator che voleva venderci la solita Bali Instagram Experience, ma diceva di volerci far scoprire il suo villaggio. Un villaggio arroccato sulle montagne balinesi, lontano un'ora dall'ultimo turista sull'isola e probabilmente anche dall'ultimo supermercato occidentale. Facciamo un paio di videochiamate informative con lui, giusto per capire se dover lasciare o meno i nostri recapiti alla Farnesina, e scopriamo che Wayan, insieme alla sua famiglia, si occupa di ripiantare alberi di bambù in una foresta devastata dall'overtourism e propone ai turisti di piantare un piccolo albero di bambù nella sua foresta. Il caso vuole che esattamente un anno prima, io e Jessica, celebrando il nostro matrimonio, abbiamo piantato un albero di ulivo in segno del nostro amore, e quindi abbiamo deciso di fidarci di Wayan, di piantare un bambù da lui e di fare due chiacchiere con suo zio, il fondatore della Bamboo Forest di Bali.
Dopo circa 2 ore di viaggio alla nostra location siamo arrivati nella parte nord-est di Bali per fare questa esperienza, per andare a visitare questa Bamboo Forest. Certo, la cordialità delle zone più turistiche di Bali qua ce lo dobbiamo dimenticare, qua c'è ruspanza, qua c'è serietà, ma c'è anche serenità, cioè pane vino al vino, se gli stai sui coglioni te lo fanno capire, se gli stai simpatico sono cordiali. Non ti devono per forza leccare le scarpe per avere qualcosa in cambio, come invece succede purtroppo nelle zone più turistiche di quest'isola. Che dietro la telecamera mia moglie è l'unica donna di tutto il team qua che di falegnami che stanno portando avanti questo progetto. Non vedo l'ora che tutto ciò parta. Adesso piccola colazione e si inizia.
Rice flour, eggs, salt. It's very good. And why is green?
Green?
Ah, why is green?
Ah, they put some, how you call, pandan. Pandan leaf.
It's a leaf of Southfield.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
How did your project come about?
This community project is started at 2002. It was pushed by the governments and is supported by the community here. Not just in this community, but the community coming from all around Bali, especially from the governments and the local community around this place. We start 2002. Do we choose the bamboo? Because first, they can grow very fast. Second, they can save a lot of water in their root, in their trunk or something, and it can be very useful in Balinese community, especially for the ceremony or something which is held every years, every 6 months, every once in 6 months or something like that. So is the motivation, and the other one is to keep the water debit higher and higher, because in that time we got really low debit of water. That's why all the people down there is like suffer from the water. We have a little bit of debit, then we try to plant paddies or something, plant like down there. No, everything is dried and we're suffering like that.
How much is over-tourism impacting deforestation?
I think in some area, it's affect a lot in the recent time, especially in a place which is the tourism grow very rapidly grow.
Denpasar, for
Denpasar,
example.
down there, Kuta, Jimbaran, or down there maybe.
Yeah.
It's really affecting the
For example, the floating of 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I don't remember.
Yeah.
That Kutai and Denpasar was totally floated and one apartment falling down in the river.
Yeah.
What climate change do you foresee for Bali between now and 2045?
If we as a community don't like respect the environment or something, maybe we will lose everything, like a beaches, like a forest or something. If we don't respect with the environment, and we will suffering also in next like 10, 20 or 50 years ahead. We don't take care for our environment and the local community, like a local culture or something, because we live because the local culture. The tourist is like an impact of the local of the local yeah.
In Italy, when it comes to climate change, the population isn't willing to change their habits to benefit the planet. How do the Balinese people approach the issue?
For now, the Balinese people is regulated by the government. They force us to take care for our trust or something.
Okay.
That's the point they want. The community now is try to migrate from the old way to treat trash to the better way. We like imitate other country like that, and also the like a traditional community also pressed by the government. You should take care of your environment for the trust or something. Okay. Which is you make it, you take care of it.
Is it possible to donate something to your community? Do you accept external donation? Who finances this project?
We accept for the donation, and recently we got foundation from the big company also, from Indonesia Power.
Okay.
Indonesia Power Company, they gave us like a CSR, and then they really help us. And some of their company, some of other, fundraising. Community fundraising also help us. But the special one is Indonesia Power.
Okay.
They gave us a lot. They train us how to protect. They train us how to like doing something from the bamboo or something. And they also train us how to save and make some impact for the community.
What's your concept about the world future? What do you see for your future and for the future of this forest?
For this forest, the main dream of the community here is they want make bamboo arboretum, a bamboo library for the one who want to like learn about the bamboo, because I think this is the biggest bamboo forest in Bali, and if they want to go and to come to learn about the bamboo, they can come here and learn about the bamboo here also.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much too. Yeah.